हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय न्यू वीडियो गाइस। आज का वीडियो गाइस बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग और एक आई ओपनर होने वाला है। तो कोशिश कीजिएगा बिना स्किप करें आप पूरा वीडियो एंड तक देखें। आज हम गाइस वुडमैन के स्टीरियो, खासकर जो एक्सट्रीम 3.0 सीरीज़ है, उसका हम देख रहे हैं कि जो कंपनी क्लेम करती है स्पेसिफिकेशन, वो जेन्युइन है या नहीं है। तो हम लोकल मार्केट में आपको बहुत सारे सिस्टम्स मिल जाएंगे, बहुत सारे प्राइस पॉइंट पे मिल जाएंगे, काफ़ी सस्ते मिलेंगे। लेकिन गाइज उनमें क्या प्रॉब्लम होती है, जो वो स्पेसिफिकेशन बताते हैं कि 2 GB रैम है, 4 GB रैम है, वो जेन्युइन नहीं होती। और वो आपको ऐसा दिखा देंगे किसी ऐरे गहरे ऐप से, ताकि आपको पता ना चल पाए। लेकिन आज मैं वुडमैन का 3.0 सीरीज़ का पहला वेरिएंट है, ये 2 GB 32 GB मॉडल। तो इसमें आपको चेक करवाऊँगा कि ये जेन्युइन है या फिर फेक है। तो यहाँ पे हम ऐप्स में गए हैं, उसके बाद सेटिंग्स में जाके डेवलपर ऑप्शन में जाएंगे। यहाँ पे पासवर्ड होता है, एक फैक्ट्री पासवर्ड, उसको एंटर करें। यहाँ पे जैसे कि गाइस आप देख सकते हैं, ये 2 GB वाला मॉडल है। तो यहाँ पे सिस्टम में आपको रैम दिखा रहा है 1.2 GB, और ऐप्स में आपको दिखा रहा है जो ऐप्स अभी एट अ टाइम यूज़ कर रही है वो है 452 MB ऑफ रैम, और फ्री में दिखा रहा है 0.92 GB गाइस। तो अगर आप इन तीनों का टोटल करेंगे तो ऑलमोस्ट 2.5 GB के अराउंड आ रहा है गाइस। और कंपनी ने जो क्लेम करा हुआ है वो 2 GB है। तो 2 GB से कम तो आप छोड़िए, बल्कि ज़्यादा ही आपको मिलेगी, जो आपकी बाद में परफॉर्मेंस में अच्छा रिजल्ट करेगा। तो अभी कंपनी के एक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव भी हैं गाइस मेरे साथ, तो एक बार उनसे भी थोड़ा सा बातचीत करते हैं। सर, जैसे कि इसमें आप यहाँ पे सिस्टम में भी हमें विजिबल है क्लियरली 2.5 GB ऑफ रैम है, लेकिन आप इसे 2 GB करके क्यों बेचते हैं? 2.5 GB करके भी सेल कर सकते हैं आप तो।
एक्चुअली क्या होता है, देर इज नो रैम विच इज 2.5 GB और 3 GB, इधर रैम इज 2 GB और 4 GB, सो दिस इज 2 GB DDR4 रैम इन एक्चुअल.
ओके
So 2 GB DDR4 RAM will give you space around 2.2 to 2.4 GB.
ओके
So it varies depending upon the app and what system processing you are using, but it is between 2 GB to 2.4 GB. So this free space and this app space keep on changing. So this is around 2.2 to 2.4 GB of RAM, which comes in 2 GB of DDR4 RAM. So it is called as 2 GB DDR4 RAM. But some local companies, or because customers are also not aware, so they can sell it as 2.5 GB or 3 GB or something like this, but in genuine it is a 2 GB DDR4 RAM, which gives you space around 2.3 to 2.4 GB. As you can see here also that some RAM is going into the system, some going into apps, and some going into free space. So that's why this system is very fast. If you buy same 2 GB DDR2 system, that will lag, but DDR4 systems will not lag because the RAM is very high quality. And I will show you its Android version also and CPU information also. So in about device, if you see, there is CPU information, if you can see here. So it is octa-core 1.6 GB. So octa-core we are giving 2 GB DDR4 with octa-core 1.6 GB. That's why this makes it a lag-free system. This system will not lag. Even if you open Maps, YouTube, any other app, if you want to open it, this system will not lag. I will show you.
So basically, sir, you are saying that your Extreme 3.0 series is completely lag-free system,
Yes.
whether you go with 2 GB variant,
Yes.
4 GB variant, or 6 GB variant.
Yes. So I am in front of you only. I have not done anything, or I have not closed any app. It is just because of internet, it is connected to Wi-Fi. There the loading is slow, but if you see, the map is lag free. There is no lag in the maps. If you do same thing in 2 GB DDR2 systems with quad-core processor, it will take some time, because maps take a lot of time, a lot of processing in the background. And I will show you its Android version also.
This is a third-party app, sir.
So this is a third-party app. This is not a Woodman app. So you can see there, it is an Android 10 system.
Yes, yes, guys. See here, it's already mentioned here. The code name as Android 10. So the system is based on Android 10 version.
So whosoever is buying Extreme 3.0, whether he is buying 2 GB, 4 GB, 6 GB variant, or a 364 GB or 366 GB, this is the same way he can check the RAM, processor and Android version and he will not find any discrepancy. Everything, that's why the system prices are worth it. If you are buying 2 GB 32 GB, many customers ask us, sir, that's why it is expensive, why you are selling 2 GB 32 GB system at 28,000.
Right, sir. Because in local market we are getting the same system as the specification mentioned by the sellers is around 20,000, 18,000.
Yes, even some people are selling at 8,000 also, 10,000 also. But if you check their reality, if you check the performance itself,
Okay.
even if you don't check all these kinds of things, you just check the performance also, you will find the difference. This is a totally lag-free system. We have many videos also uploaded by the customer, so you can see those detailed videos also where all the apps are accessed by the customers. So this is a completely lag-free. Two things make it lag-free. One is 2 GB DDR4 RAM. Second thing is 1.6 GHz of octa-core processor.
Okay.
If you use DDR2 RAM with quad-core processor, it will lag. If you buy any company system, even a big brand or small brand, it will lag because the DDR2 RAM is slow and quad-core processors are slow. But if you are using DDR4 systems with quad-core, then also system will lag. But this is a DDR4 combination with a octa-core processor, so that makes a lag-free system. Whether you access any apps, whether even if you do split screen also, system will not lag. So system is very fast because.
So here guys, we are using split screen function. Basically in one screen we are using two different apps simultaneously. I hope you like the video guys, and it might be an eye opener for you. So I would suggest you to please watch this video without skipping any part, so that you can make the right decision before buying any Android car stereo for your cars guys. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching it. Jai Hind.